commute?
Like thunder. It's very pleasant.
You know, and that, coming from you, that means a lot.
Jeez, thanks, babe.
Well, you know, most of the minis are just like off. Alright, now let's go zip around. See if they change the acceleration a little bit.
You're gonna give me a heart attack. Just cruising around the road of Spain.
In España. Gotta see how she goes on the freeway. It really hauls ass, huh? The turbo is so...
Woo!
It's pretty cool, huh?
Wow, this is nice. This is just like a different ride-in mini.
It really is.
And I've ridden in a lot of minis.
You have, man. What's crazy is you don't even have to shift. I'm in 4th gear, and it's like, it still has power. Here, we'll roll up the windows and just kind of see how it sounds. It's quiet.
This thing is really smooth and really quiet. And you can't smell gas.
No.
It's amazing.
So I'm in. Okay,
It almost makes me want to learn how to drive stick.
Before we get too far, we gotta figure out how to get home. Yeah. It really changed the driving characteristics of it.
Oh, 3,000%. Like, seriously. I have zero, like, inhibition saying that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, don't tell the guys. I mean, they're gonna be feeling bad.
Well, it has nothing to do with anyone's talent on how they put a car together. It has to do with the parts.
I wish we had a meter to say how quiet. It feels like it's off.
Yeah, and honestly, you don't have any bumps either. I mean, a lot of the noise from an older Mini will come in the noise of